What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is for entertainment purposes only. I want to paint you guys a picture real quick. I want to sneak in one more update because tomorrow tenant's supposed to be gone. I'm supposed to start moving down. The moving truck's already here. Things are gonna be crazy for me. They're loading the truck as we speak. Thank freaking God. Because they have cost me so much money, it's insane. But I'm glad we can retrieve some of it from here. So I want to paint you a picture. If you're not in yet, if you're not in the crypto market yet, and you're like, oh, I might, or I don't know, let's see what happens, or here, I'm about to paint you a pretty little picture. You know, and it's taken me years. And I'm still learning, you know what I mean? But it's taken years of staring at charts to start to be able to put some of this stuff together and go, oh my God, look at that. Look at that. And I'm glad I started with the foreign exchange market because it is the hardest market to read. It is so freaking hard, man. If you're just starting out on like price action and reading charts, the forex market is tough because it's not really like clearly bullish or bearish. Really, it's kind of all over the place, and it's sideways, and it's 50x leverage. So when you're wrong, even by a little bit, it adds up very, very quickly because it's leverage. You know what I mean? So it makes it even harder. But check this out. I was watching the Fed meeting this week. Right? Jerome Powell comes out and he's talking tough. Right? Oh, we're just going to keep rates right where they are. You know, tried to claim that he's not political and all this shit, and everybody can see right through it. You know, he was talking a tough game. And yeah, the markets did sell off, but they recovered immediately. It was almost as if the markets knew he was full of shit. They knew it. All the markets knew that that dude was just coming out there spewing lies, whatever. So it didn't really have too much bearing on the markets. I mean, yeah, there was some volatility, but... And yeah, I threw a trade in this week at work. I thought we were going to break through, and then I get home and realize that I bought in resistance. I was like, what a dumbass. But it's fine. It's fine. You know what I mean? Because come over to the monthly chart. I can see what's coming. I can literally see what's coming here. Tomorrow's the 31st, so last day, right? We're going to get a new candle. Look at this monthly candle action right here. That's a very good sign. That's a very good sign. If this candle closes anything like that tomorrow, that's a very good indication that price has come down, bottomed out, and is getting ready to reverse. And not only that, you can see that we came down with such momentum, tapped the trend line, buyers were there, sellers got back in, started pushing down again, got back down to the line, held it again, and now this is the third month in a row attempting to break through. We had a false break, and it pushed right back up. And we're closing with this little spinning top or whatever it's called, right? So we might get a little retracement of this candle, maybe not. I don't know if this little expansion here will just kind of keep going like that, or if we get a little dip, maybe we hit the trend line. I don't think we're gonna get that far, but you know, we got a buy signal going on here, and this thing's kind of bouncing around, but we could get a little retracement and then back up, and maybe this is a bigger expansion or whatever that is right there. But the moral of the story is it looks like the euro is about to start heading up, which means the US dollar is coming down. And if the dollar comes down, that is very good for crypto, silver, gold, stocks. Oh, look at this. Silver's taking off. Son of a gun. Looks like there's a little bit of momentum behind that. Gold. Oh, look at that. It's taking off. Looks like people are throwing in their bets ahead of time here. And then if we shoot over to the crypto market, let's start with ACH, because maybe there's people that are not in this yet. And it's like, well, I missed it because I didn't buy it down here. And you know, I bought this even after seeing this wick, which normally you'd be like, whoa, that's a big wick, it's going to reverse. But I have to tell you, I've seen candles like this form, and I've watched it happen so many times in the Forex market. It is insane. I've seen this happen so many times that I knew this was going up. So even with that massive wick sitting there, I still bought it down here. Still bought it. And I was okay if it came back down here, but I still bought it. And look at this. It's right there. So, and you're like, oh, I missed the move. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. I mean, look at this. So I know there's some people that like, you know, XCN, and this thing looks crazy bullish, right? It's just, yeah, that's a very bullish candle. But the move is started here. The move is started. And this could do, I mean, this could go crazy. Who knows? But chart-wise, you know, I did take a little bit of that. Chart-wise, this looks better to me. It's more appealing to me, chart-wise, because we're still within the consolidation. We're still within the correction. So this is why it makes it easier for me, because when this breaks out of this pattern here, chances are we're not going to revisit this unless, bigger picture, this makes a move up and then corrects back down and maybe taps the top. But I would say, bigger picture wise, I would have less. All I'm saying is I would have less worry about this going up and then coming all the way back down into this, versus if I bought XCN, I don't see like a, I mean, it seems like it's too new to see like some sort of correction pattern. So I don't know where this is going to go up to and where it could come back to. And plus, I know that it looks like this move has already started. This, we haven't even started the move yet. We're still within the consolidation. But it's weird because you look and now put everything together that we just went over. The euro's about to turn. Based on the candle action, where price is, it looks like it's getting ready to turn. That means dollars start to come down. And all of a sudden on ACH this week, we got a massive bullish candle action like that. As long as it doesn't come screaming down tomorrow and have a huge wick and closes anything like this, it's kind of fitting that price is going to park itself right around this trend line, so that next week or whenever it happens, maybe it parks here and then consolidates. You know, we get a little retracement and then it busts through in the next week, 2 weeks. But I feel like it is coming. And this, and if you're not in cryptos already, this honestly might be your last chance to catch this bull run. I could be wrong on that, because this could push up and consolidate again and give you another chance, but it just seems like everything is setting up perfectly. Go over to XRP. Zoom out a little bit. what do we have? We have a cup, and we've just started to form the handle, just like Bitcoin. Just like the Bitcoin cup and handle, which that cup and handle is playing out as we speak. Yeah, you see that? Here's the cup, handle, and it's starting to move. But it's in a consolidation right now, I think, for a continuation. And XRP. And that means, more than likely, right, we got the cup, the handle, we get a break, consolidation, and a continuation. So that's why I'm starting to see people have different levels. I think we might see resistance around the $4 or $5 area. Consolidate here for a while, and then we'll be going for, you know, the $10 area after that. So we might get move, some other kind of correction here, and then get another move from there. Things are looking good, and check this out, right? XRP went up about 2% today. XLM went up about 11% today. XLM is the gold. I mean, XLM is the silver to XRP the gold. But then again, you look at XLM in bigger picture, we haven't even broken out of the consolidation pattern here. So chart wise, these look amazing to me. These look absolutely amazing to me. I've never seen a chart that looks so bullish in my life. I mean, these are like the first, like, I've been staring at Forex charts. So, you know, seeing this is like, oh, dude, this is great. This is great. And I feel like understanding these charts, it helps calm your mind. It really does. When you can look at these charts and understand the price action a little bit, right? Even with basic knowledge. But if you know that this is a cup and handle right here, which is extremely bullish, right? And price is dipping, right? And this is the thing that drives me nuts about YouTube, right? Is because as soon as this little sell-off happened right here, I went onto YouTube and all I could see was, oh my god, I think I'm wrong about XRP. XRP is crashing, and it's all this FUD and just bullshit freaking information that people are just pushing out videos just to get clicks, just to get views, just to get... And I'm like, that is fucked up. I'm definitely not going to be one of those people. Just push out a video with a catchy freaking thumbnail just to get somebody to click on the freaking video. That's sickening to me, and I fucking hate it. Every time I click on a video and I'm like, damn it, you tricked me. You tricked me, you son of a bitch. You know what I mean? It's irritating. So, I aim to never do that. That is my goal. But yeah, when you can understand this a little bit, it makes it so much easier for you to hold and not worry about what everyone else is saying on YouTube. Oh, I'm wrong, it's going to crash. Because you're sitting here going, these people are fucking idiots. This is a cup and handle. This is so bullish, it's mind-blowing. And people are making all these shit fucking videos. Like, I think we are setting up right now. This is the picture I've been trying to paint with the euro, the dollar, And these cryptos, the way they have moved, where they're starting to park themselves, the patterns that they are creating, it looks like in the next couple of weeks, things are about to pop off. That's all I wanted to say, you know. Maybe I could have just said that, but yeah, anyway, see you later.